What's up, everyone? I got Zuli here and I got Rocket over here. Say hi.
Hi!
We got the Fab raffle to do, and let me tell you who's in it. Excuse me. We got Deepa, Lisa, Audrey, Candice, Jennifer, Darlene, Catherine, Brian, Lydia, Diamond in the Rough, Angie, Mark, Marnie, Sharita, Verena, Lisa, Jana, Christina, Diana, Jean, Candice, Miranda, Becky, Anne, Keston, Jillian, Rolanda, and Tracy. These names are the ones that used the coupon for our raffle. Qualifies. You have to use the coupon. And what are they going to win? One is a special order. Yes, a Zuli tube, an artist Zuli tube. Design is a surprise. And yeah, and another is for a special treatment for the entire order. So we're gonna pick two names. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah!
Okay, let's get the names rolled up, and we're gonna pick the names. All right, the winners. Pulling up these names, and we're just gonna speed this up later. Okay, are you ready to roll names?
Yeah!
We got our jar here. All right. Good job, guys. All right. Let's pick one winner. Which one first? The Zuli tube or the special treatment for the entire order?
Zuli too! You guys.
Okay. Zuli tube. Zuli tube. Okay. Zuli tube. Who's gonna pick the winner for the Zuli tube? Okay. Pick your name, Zuli. Brian Percival, you win the artist Zuli tube. Yay! Good job. Good job, Zuli. Congratulations, Percival. You won the artist Zuli tube.
My turn!
Yay! Yay! Okay, now for the special treatment for the not Kuya tube. The special treatment for the entire order. Yes. Pick the winner. Okay. the winner is Diamond in the Rough. Yay! You won the special treatment for your entire order. Congratulations!
The name is just like from Aladdin. The Diamond
In the Rough. Yeah. And that's it. You guys want to sing the Mish and Mash song?
Yeah!
Mish
And
and
mash.
Mash.
Wait,
Mix
first,
in a dash.
it's scooping out all the progress.
I think we're just gonna do just the chorus. Okay? Ready, set, go. Mush and mash and mix in a dash with lemon and drops of honey. Lemon and drop of honey. Mush and mash, mix in a dash with lemon and drop of honey. Lemon and drop of honey. That's it. Bye guys. Thank you for participating in Fab February. See you at March Mellow. Bye.